If you want more sales on your website today, you've got to do this. I have been searching for a tool like that for a very long time. And what's best, it's totally free. Actually, I implemented that tool on my website 2 weeks ago and it literally doubled my sales. It's called Go Tolstoy and this is what it looks like. On your website, there will be a mini window here. When customers click it, there will be actually options to choose from and guidance what to do next, as you see here. This tool works like a mini funnel. So basically it works like a mini funnel and it speeds up the decision time and interaction and the reply to any messages from chat. Literally, it works so well that everyone who has any type of online business should have it installed. And if I were you, I would hurry up because it's free at the moment, but I'm sure not for long. So go ahead and set up the video series. It will literally take you only 30 minutes and you can do it from your phone, like just doing TikTok. It's gonna increase your sales and it's completely free. Go do that now.